2026, the battlefield was redefined once again. The United States, a nation known for pushing the limits of military technology, unveiled its latest ground-dominating weapon, the T-18 main battle tank. Sleek, intelligent, and devastatingly powerful, the T-18 wasn't just another upgrade. It was a complete rebirth of armored warfare, engineered to outclass every threat of the modern era. The T-18 stands as a testament to American military innovation. Born from lessons learned on the battlegrounds of the 21st century, this next-generation tank embodies the philosophy of superior firepower meets artificial intelligence. Its creators at General Dynamics Land Systems describe it as the perfect fusion of human strategy and machine precision. Every bolt, every sensor, and every armor plate has a purpose: survival and dominance. At first glance, the T-18 looks like a futuristic beast. Its angular body reduces radar cross-section, giving it stealth-like characteristics unseen in previous U.S. tanks. The reactive armor system, known as Titan Shield, is a multi-layered defense network capable of neutralizing incoming projectiles before they even reach the hull. When enemy anti-tank missiles lock on, the Titan Shield detects, tracks, and fires countermeasures in less than 0.2 seconds. This makes the T-18 one of the most survivable tanks in modern warfare. Powering this monster is a newly designed hybrid turbine engine delivering 2,100 horsepower. Despite its massive 68-ton weight, the T-18 accelerates from 0 to 50 km per hour in under 6 seconds, nearly sports car performance for a war machine. The hybrid system reduces fuel consumption by 30%, allowing the tank to operate longer and quieter in stealth operations. On the battlefield, silence is survival, and the T-18 moves like a ghost before it strikes. The crew experience has been completely transformed. Inside the T-18, the traditional cramped and noisy interior is replaced with an AI-assisted control system, holographic displays, and digital mapping powered by the U.S. Army's Sentinel network. The commander and gunner operate with 360-degree awareness, using augmented reality overlays to identify threats, terrain, and targets in real time. The driver relies on AI guidance for pathfinding and obstacle avoidance, a system tested under extreme battlefield simulations in Nevada and Alaska. The heart of the T-18's power lies in its main weapon, the XM360x10 to the 2,140mm electrothermal chemical cannon. This revolutionary gun uses plasma-ignited propellant to fire rounds at hypersonic speeds, penetrating the world's most advanced armor with ease. The autoloader can fire up to 12 rounds per minute, while the targeting AI calculates trajectory, wind resistance, and armor composition in milliseconds. Precision has never looked this lethal. But firepower alone doesn't win wars. The T-18 integrates full drone interoperability. A pair of micro-aerial drones, codenamed Falcon Eyes, can be deployed from its rear compartment to scout enemy positions, detect ambushes, and even guide long-range shots. Each drone transmits encrypted data directly to the tank's central battle computer, creating a unified awareness system that turns one tank into a mobile command hub. Defense analysts describe the T-18 as the smartest tank ever built. Its onboard AI, named Ares, can predict incoming threats using pattern recognition and battlefield analytics. Ares continuously learns from combat data, evolving its defense tactics with every mission. This means that no two T-18 units fight exactly the same way, each becomes smarter, deadlier, and more efficient over time. In training exercises, the T-18 proved its superiority against older U.S. models like the M1A2 Abrams SEP V4. In simulated combat, it outperformed the Abrams in accuracy, maneuverability, and situational response by 45%. What shocked observers most wasn't its speed or firepower, it was its silence, coordination, and decision-making. When human reflexes failed, the T-18's AI filled the gap instantly. Yet, despite all this advanced technology, the T-18 still honors the legacy of American armor design: rugged, powerful, and built to last. The exterior composite armor blends depleted uranium, ceramic plating, and reactive layers into one of the toughest defenses ever created. Even direct hits from top attack missiles failed to breach its hull during testing. Engineers call it the invisible wall. Communication between T-18 units is encrypted through the Starlink defense grid, ensuring secure real-time coordination across vast distances. This allows tank platoons to operate with precision even in communication jam zones. If one unit is damaged, others can instantly share sensor data, coordinate movements, and cover the formation, making them nearly impossible to isolate or ambush. The tank's mobility is equally impressive. A fully digital suspension system adapts to terrain in milliseconds, providing stability whether it's desert dunes, urban rubble, or frozen tundra. Combined with the newly developed Track Flex treads, the T-18 glides smoothly over obstacles that would cripple older models. It can even submerge in shallow waters and continue operating after electromagnetic pulse attacks thanks to its hardened electronics core. However, the T-18 is not just a weapon, it's a symbol. For the United States, it represents a new era of armored supremacy. After decades of evolving warfare, from Iraq to Ukraine, the military realized that the future isn't just about who fires first, it's about who thinks first. The T-18 embodies that idea perfectly, a tank that doesn't just follow orders, but anticipates them. As of 2026, the U.S. Army plans to deploy the first T-18 units with the 3rd Armored Division. Initial production is limited, but interest from allied nations has already surged. Countries like Japan, South Korea, and Poland have expressed interest in acquiring modified versions tailored to their terrain and defense strategies. Critics, however, warn that this level of autonomy raises ethical questions. Can a tank make life and death decisions without human input? Military engineers assure that all lethal actions still require human authorization, but the line between AI assistance and AI independence continues to blur. The T-18 isn't just changing warfare, it's redefining the very role of humans in combat. In a world where drone swarms, cyber attacks, and hypersonic missiles dominate headlines, the T-18 stands as a reminder that ground dominance still matters. The terrain still decides the victor, and for that, America has built the ultimate machine. With unmatched power, intelligence, and adaptability, the T-18 doesn't just roll into battle,